Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into an honest review of MetaMask, one of the popular crypto wallets out there. If you're thinking about using it, watch this video first. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this review is based on personal opinion and research. Now, according to the official site at metamask.io, MetaMask is a free crypto wallet that lets you store, send, and swap tokens. It works with Ethereum and other blockchains, and it's available as a browser extension and a mobile app. It's designed for easy Web3 access, especially for DeFi apps, NFTs, and tokens. Sounds great on paper, right? But the real question is, how does it hold up in the real world? Let's look at Trustpilot, where MetaMask currently has a 1.4 stars out of 5, based on 600 reviews. And honestly, the complaints are serious. Several users claim they were victims of phishing scams, some losing hundreds to thousands of dollars. One person lost 200 euros or pounds through a fake job offer that tricked them into transferring money step by step. Another user also lost 300 or 3,000, maybe euros or pounds, in a transfer that never showed up, and MetaMask didn't recover it. A common complaint is that the interface feels buggy and there's no live support when things go wrong. Now, to be fair, MetaMask is a non custodial wallet, meaning you control your keys, and your security is your responsibility. So, if you fall for a scam or expose your recovery praise, there is no way to reverse it. MetaMask has solid features and is widely used, especially in DeFi, but it's not beginner friendly. If you're not careful, it's easy to fall victim to scams, and once your crypto is gone, it's gone. So, unless you really understand how crypto wallets work and how to protect your seed praise, you might want to explore safer, more guided options. If you've used MetaMask, let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.